From last year, average sales have decreased by minus 29.9%. However, the average price has increased by a whopping 18.5%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 1,059 units. The average price, $1,082,424. The average selling price versus list price was 113%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 928 units. The average price, $1.310,791. The average selling price versus list price was 112%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 405 units. The average price, $1,856,258. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 10 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 248 units. The average price, $1.308,250. The average selling price versus list price was 113%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 247 units. The average price, $1.302,816. The average selling price versus list price was 113%, and the average days on market was 7 days. Thanks for watching this month's market report. For a detailed report, please give us a call, 905-334-5883, and we'll be sure to send that out to you. If you have any questions regarding the current market conditions, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.